Today I'll be working on a 2014 GMC Acadia.
The truth.
We're going to be changing out the air filter. First thing you're going to want to do is locate your hood release and go ahead and pull that. After you got your hood open, locate your air box right over here. These are Torx T25 bolts, and you'll need a T25 bit to fit in it. You have several of these screws all the way around the airbox. Next, you're going to want to take out this connector right here. So you're going to take something like a screwdriver, push this little red piece out. Watch your hands. There it goes. So it pops out just a little bit. And you're going to pull the connector all the way out. Tuck that out of the way somewhere. Next, you're going to go ahead, loosen this clamp right here. Go ahead and take this hose off of the airbox. We're not quite done yet. Next, go ahead and take off your oil cap. Set it somewhere aside, and you're going to remove this cover. Just for safety purposes, put your oil cap back on so nothing falls down into your engine. Next, we're going to be taking this clamp off right here to get this part of the air piping out of the way. Be mindful of this hose as well. It connects right down in here. Now that you have all that off, you can go ahead and remove this air box. Now you have access to your filter. When putting the new filter in, just make sure you orient it the right way. It sits right into place. Next, we can go ahead and put the housing right back on, same way you get it off. When we put the piece of intake pipe back on, just remember that this little connector right here goes right down there. Once that's back in place, go ahead and tighten up both clamps while you're right here. Also, go ahead and plug back in the connector for your mass airflow. Fits snugly, and the tab clips right in. Next, go ahead and put all these little Torx screws back in the airbox all the way around. Be mindful of these lines. They like to get caught underneath the clamp where the bolt goes. Next, we're going to go ahead and take the oil cap back off. Put the engine cover back on. Snug it into place, put your oil cap back on. I hope this video helped. If you had any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below.